I like to stand up. You're a big girl. What are you doing, huh? You standing up? I like standing up real quick and just say hi.
Good girl. Yay. Yay. Abby, come here, sweetie. Look what I found. Come see it? Come see what I found? Look, who's that? Is that baby Evelyn? Is that baby Evelyn? Why don't you take a look? Look at that baby. Oh, come here, look. That's Mommy with Evie in her tummy. Yeah, look. You'll be nice though, you okay? Yes, you. Okay. Evie, come over here and stand there. You're just such a big girl. You're such a big girl. You give Mommy a kiss? You have a dirty diaper, sweetie?
You wanna go in your crib?
You go to bed in there? That's your bed.
You gonna try and climb in there?
Yeah, I can. Watch me, Daddy. Abby, did you take your first step on the stair today? You did. Mommy looked over and there you were.
Hey, Abby. Evie, where's Ozzy?
Hey, Daddy, where's those? That's not nice.
What are you doing? You standing up? Hi. You clicking your mouth? You got something to say? Huh? You got something to say? Ah! Like attack! Oh! Oh yeah.
Your pants too long, honey buns.
Evie.
I like when she climbs up on her.
Oh, yeah, Daddy has some leg hair back there. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Come here, I'm gonna bring.
Oh, goodness gracious, young lady. See if she'll ride the horsey.
Ooh, Abby, you want to ride the horsey? Huh? Do you want to ride the horsey? You know what the horsey is, don't you? You were looking at it. Come here. Let's see if you want to ride the horsey. Yeah? Come here. Okay, good girl. Walk over here to the horsey. You say, hi, horsey. And then we go like this. Whee! Oh, it's okay. Whee! It's okay. Whee! No, it's okay, honey. How about we do like this?
No, I don't think I want to get on the horsey.
You want to stand on him? Yay! Yay!
I'm a little scared of the horsey.
Okay. Let's not be scared of the horsey, okay?
You want to pet the horsey?
Want to pet him? Yeah. Come here, pet the horsey. Yeah, it's okay.
Does the horsey make you nervous?
Mommy wants to ride a horsey. Yeah, yay! See? Yay! It's okay. It's okay. Huh? You want to pet the horsey? The horse. It's okay. I know you want to. Oh, you're strong. It's okay, baby girl. Abby, come here. Come here, you ride the horsey? Yeah. Come here, it's okay. A good horsey, isn't he? Yeah, he is a good horsey. You want to stand up, get closer to him? Yeah? That's right. Good girl. No, it's okay, honey. You're okay. Ride the horsey. Ride that horsey. Nice. So, okay, what do you want to do? You want to say hi to the horsey? Hi, horsey. Hi. Yeah. You have a very stinky diaper. Is it Daddy's turn to change the diaper?
You know, Daddy's got to start dinner.
No, Daddy tries to get out.
Play the horsey noise.
Ew.
No, just the ear.
Oh.
Do the other one.
Ride 'em, cowboy. Come on, saddle up and let's go. We're going riding, riding, riding. Giddy up, little cowboy. Get that pony trotting. There won't be no stopping, 'cause when we hit the trail, we're telling cowboy tales and a hootin' and a hollering all day. Riding, riding, riding. Giddy up, little cowboy. Get that pony trotting.
It's okay, don't touch him. Are you thoroughly confused what a noise the horse makes?